Hello everyone! I've decided to upload videos not on 1 or 2 weeks progress, but actually when I have enough of it. So, not to upload a video without barely any progress, so yeah. At first, I enhanced the algorithm we discussed in the videos before this one. I've added backtracking, so in some cases the algorithm could miss a tile, skip it completely. Now it changes the neighboring tiles so it actually can feed some tile into this one. Yep. Then I added weight to the tiles and started playing with algorithm. After quite some time I realized that this algorithm cannot be used to generate buildings and structures, because these buildings will be completely chaotic. Both their size and their shapes will be not what's needed. Because very often what I see is very small or very big buildings, or the ones that look like blobs or corridors, which is completely not what we want. So in the end I've decided to use this algorithm for some decoration, like placing trees, grass, tiles on walls and floor, and pretty much, yep, that's it. So that's why there's a need for another algorithm that will generate a level made of connected buildings, not just complete chaotic mess. At first I generated connections between buildings, and then I wanted to generate roads to place buildings alongside of, but I realized it's not needed at all for the first builds of the game. So I just spent like a week to place the buildings on the map. I also assigned sizes to the buildings, so there are some rectangles which represent the buildings on the map, yeah. After finally placing the buildings as they should be placed, I began dividing them into rooms. I decided that for the first type it will be a dome type building, and that would be enough for now. Each floor, as you can see on the layout of the floors, each floor is the same as the other floor. Except for the first floor, there's an entrance room, the green one, and the other floors only have the blue room, which is the ladder room, and the yellow rooms, which are the dome rooms, just, yeah. Also, different buildings have different amount of floors, as you can see. When I scroll through floors, some buildings don't have any rooms on these exact floors because there are none. After this, I marked which positions on the map are occupied by the buildings and began laying out the paths between them, so when you clear some random floor in the building, you can find an exit on that exact floor, and that exit will lead to a path to the next building's entrance. And here you can see some green squares on the video. That's where the path will lead to. That's the position right in front of the entrance to the building. As you can see, the algorithm works, the path is being found. By the way, the pathfinding algorithm I use is a star algorithm, and the only thing left is to train it to actually be able to work with buildings, to do what we need, to lay paths between them, yep. After a few days everything finally works. Then I also added an enemy spawn placement on different floors, yep. And that's what I'm finished at. Phew, yep, that's pretty much a lot of progress, I'd say. That took like 4 weeks, yep, a month. And I'm finally done with the generation that's needed for the first playable version of the game. The next stage is actually placing game objects on these positions which were generated and actually showing the game world in more appropriate way. And then actually making the game mechanics, the primary game mechanics, to actually run around and kill enemies and stuff like that. So to make the game actually be a game. Yep. Guys, that's it. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you are interested in the project, and also you can leave any questions in the comment section below and leave any suggestions. I read all the comments, at least for now. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.